Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Discord and signing in. Make sure you allowed microphone access. Next, pick the server and tap a voice channel with the speaker icon. That begins the connection. Once joined, notice the small mic and headphones icons. They control mute and input monitoring. If you plan to speak, test with a short sentence so you hear latency and volume. This establishes a baseline so you can adjust quickly without disrupting others. Now configure voice settings so your audio is clear. Go to User Settings, then Voice and Video, and choose your input and output devices. Headphones reduce echo. Next, decide voice activity versus push-to-talk. Voice activity is convenient, while push-to-talk avoids background noise. Adjust sensitivity or bind a push key in settings. Finally, enable noise suppression and echo cancellation so others hear you cleanly. These features reduce room noise and stabilize volume during calls. Finish by managing the call while you talk. Use mute to cut sound, deafen to stop receiving audio, and switch devices mid-call if needed. If people tell you they can't hear you, make sure mic permission is on, the correct input is selected, and your phone volume isn't 0. Once done, try toggling mute or switching to headset. This often fixes routing. If problems continue, restart the app, reboot your phone, or reinstall Discord to clear persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.